Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Let's talk about how to add some curb appeal to the front of your house. Do you have a front yard where this is what your house looks like? And you're thinking, gosh, I wish my house looked better. How can I bump up the curb appeal? Well, lots of different ways. We're going to look at 5 different projects I've done over the years where it was really about bumping up the curb appeal. So this particular one, a lot of ivy covered slope. So we decided to do some retaining walls, and we picked a wonderful brick facade that kind of matches the house facade. I was looking for walls that looked like they were 60 years old, just like the house, same kind of brick, and we did this beautiful terraced rose garden. And so now this house is famous all over Point Loma as the Rose Garden House. This one was a simpler house out in Santee. Lots of dead weeds, not much growing there. So again, terrace the front yard, this time with some keystone blocks. This is a Stonegate Contemporary, which is a wonderful stone contemporary keystone look to give it a nice clean look. Did a brand new walkway. I always emphasize one way to add curb appeal is to do a nice 5 to 7 foot wide walkway up to the house, which is what we did with this. And by the way, there are links in the comment section with all these different materials we use for these 5 projects. So here you can see we've terraced it with the succulents are going to grow and create a wonderful low maintenance drought tolerant garden, and we have a nice wide and curved staircase. This one had all kinds of problems. 1, the driveway was a mess, and 2, there wasn't a clean entryway to the house. So we solved it with a couple different things. First, redo the driveway. And second, tear out the entryway and again, widen it, make it a nice 6 foot wide walkway with pavers and lights. And we used these keystone to kind of create a retaining wall to widen the area. So now when you look at the front of the house, you can very easily get to the front door. It has some beautiful curb appeal, brand new driveway, and again, a nice succulent garden where the lawn used to be with the dry stream bed. She actually qualified for a water rebate, a lawn removal rebate from the city of San Diego. This one was a little smaller job, but still kind of a mess going to the front yard. Let's tear it down and build a little keystone retaining wall, and they're going to have some wonderful roses. They just planted those roses. They're going to look great come the springtime. So lots of different ways, but if you have a little slopey front yard like this one, keystone walls, retaining walls really add a lot of curb appeal. Well, that's all the time we have. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching.